Hey guys, Realme GT 5 Pro is all set to launch Realme next generation flagship killer. Realme GT 5 Pro come with big update like camera and also display, and this is the first look Realme GT 5 Pro. And today Realme also show the camera performance on the Realme GT 5 Pro. In the first time Realme using periscope lens in a Realme device. Realme GT 5 Pro come with Sony IMX966 50MP telephoto periscope zoom lens with 2.7x optical zoom and 120x max zoom, and also sub telephoto Dolby Vision HDR video shooting option. The telephoto lens is also much larger than OB64B and also Samsung JN1. And Realme also using Sony Latia has a main camera 50MP and 8MP ultra wide, and the phone is come with 32MP single selfie camera. And here is some picture sample Realme GT 5 Pro, and as you can see that all the picture quality are too good. And here is the camera comparison between iPhone 15 Pro, Xiaomi 13 Ultra and also the Realme GT 5 Pro. Realme GT 5 Pro come with 6.78 inch 1.5K resolution curved 120Hz OLED display. Of course the phone come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and LPDDR5X RAM and up to 24GB with UFS 4.0. Out of the box the phone running Android 14 with Realme UI 5, and the Geekbench score is single core 2225 and multi-core score is 6663. In the battery department the phone comes with 5400 mAh battery and it supports 100 watt fast charging and also 50 watt wireless charging. And the phone launched in China 5268 RMB with almost 60,000 rupee. So that's pretty much for our video. If you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.